Hello, welcome to my very elegant setup. It is I, Garbage, back again from the bathroom, because I have no other place to record, and right now I'm filming this on my phone when it wasn't obvious from the shit quality that is being held by a carton full of tampons. You're welcome for that knowledge. So I don't know how I'm gonna call this mess, but it's to address certain stuff. Like, I'm being constantly asked why I'm not streaming so often. And to be honest, I'm sick of answering it each and every time. Just like, so this is what this bitch is for. I'm sick. Like, it's not gonna kill me or something. Like, oh god, please. But I have this shit condition called cluster headaches. You can Google it. I personally don't know everything about it. Like, I know that the second name of it is suicide headache, which sums it pretty much up. It's heavy shit, it's fucked up, and it hurts. It really does hurt. Feel welcome if you want something too. This might look like a giant cup of coffee, but no, it's tomato soup. I'm a very sad individual. Yeah, and I'm in constant pain. I've been having streaks of cluster for a while now, and it's preventing me from so many things. Like, it's not only streaming or making videos or anything, it's like, it's taking the joy out of so many things. This soup is fucking hot. Shit. Like, I want to do certain stuff, like, I want to take a shower because I don't like being gross all day long. I don't know how you think you want to be. Like, do you want to be gross or do you want to be fresh? And I sometimes can't, because my head hurts so much. I cannot let water touch it. I can barely let my pillow touch it. I can barely touch it myself. It just hurts. It hurts a lot. So this is one of those reasons. The other reason is that I might seem confident very much of the time. That's not even English. I'm sorry. I'm garbage. Hi, how are you? But I'm not. I have many issues. Trusting people, looking at people, talking to people, being with people. I'm not a people person. Yeah. You see, I can't even speak, and my video time is running out because I don't have space on my phone, so I'm gonna speed run it. So, I suffer from PTSD. If you want to know the whole story, let me know. I can give you a quick rundown at some point or so. And I'm very insecure around people. This is why I do not think I'm good enough to do stuff. I don't think I'm good enough to talk to you guys, to talk to other people, to do shit. So I'm hiding. I'm hiding quite a lot of times, and I know that I should be in treatment for this, but this is very complicated. Yeah, okay, my time is running out, so see you in the next one. If so, have a good one. Bye, bitch!